In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Dodo WebView app using the latest update. First, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A good connection helps avoid issues while downloading and installing the app. Also, check that your device has enough storage space available so the download doesn't fail halfway through. Now, open the App Store that's appropriate for your device. If you're on an Android phone, this will usually be the Google Play Store. If you're on another platform, use the default app marketplace for that system. On your home screen or in your app drawer, tap the store icon to launch it. Once the App Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it to bring up the keyboard and carefully type in Dodo WebView. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, as typing errors can show you the wrong apps or no results at all. After typing the name, press the search button on your keyboard. The store will now display a list of apps that match your search. You're looking for the official Dodo WebView app. Usually, the correct app will have a clear name and a recognizable icon. If there are several similar options, you can tap on each result to read the description, check the developer name, and see user reviews. This helps you confirm you're selecting the right one and not a copy or an unrelated app. When you're sure you've found the correct Dodo WebView app, tap on it to open the app's detail page. Here you'll see more information such as the description, rating, number of downloads, and the latest update details. It's a good idea to scroll briefly through this page to understand what the app does and to confirm that it's up to date. On this same page, you'll see a button labeled either Install or Get, depending on your device. Tap that button to start downloading the app. The download progress bar will appear, and once the download is complete, the installation will begin automatically. Wait until the button changes to Open, and the status shows that the app is installed. Finally, tap Open to launch the Dodo WebView app for the first time. From here, you can follow any on-screen instructions inside the app to finish setting it up and start using it with the latest available update.